Thokozani Tinyiko Masinga, the first guy to introduce Multi-Grind in South Africa and the first guy ukuthi awenze fashionable. Bogogo nabomkhulu namhlanje I'm here to demonstrate ukuthi imishini yethu ingena imithi enjani ekuwukuthi ecoliwe ngoba abantu abaningi they keep on asking ukuthi Thokoza konke imithi ekuthi uyayifaka ngaphakathi imithi enjani. So no, today I want to demonstrate to you ukuthi imithi esisuka icoliwe kanje ile mithi esisuka siyifaka ngaphakathi ekuwukuthi uyayithenga koMaimai naseFaraday anywhere ama-rubber starter ekuwukuthi seyicoliwe yiyo ekwazi ukugayeka ngaphakathi. So namhlanje we'll be here to demonstrate njengoba sesubekile umshini sesifakile eminye imithi ngaphakathi and nale container yethu izobe ingena ngaphakathi le mithi yethu to show you ukuthi isebenza kanjani. Thokozani, siyabonga. Imithi yethu isuka ikanje uma kuukuthi sisiqedile ukusuka sisigayile. This is the powder you expect from Multi-Grinder machine. This is powder ekuwukuthi ungayisebenzisa noma ukuphi or noma usebenzisa for whatever imuthi ufuna ukuyigaya, abo chilisi, abo of salt, ama-peanuts, umbila uyagayeka. This is the powder you get. So lento since abanayo abantu abaningi isebasizile kakhulu. Isatholakala with the same price. Le egaya isefix ase 3.5 and the other one egaya kuphela wena sefa manually iba 2.9. Thokozani abantu abadala, thokozana bogogo. Siyabonga.